Welcome to Achieve Your Dreams TV, where we're about to uncover some subtle signs that you may be more attractive to women than you think. Let's dive right in. Number 1. She seeks opportunities to impress you. If a woman goes out of her way to talk to you and consistently tries to highlight her positive qualities in your presence, there's a good chance she finds you attractive. Whether she shows up at events where you'll be or intentionally crosses paths with you, these actions signal her interest. Number 2. Nervousness is evident. When a woman feels butterflies in her stomach or seems a bit tongue-tied when you're around, it could indicate that she's attracted to you. Watch out for fidgeting, playing with hair, or anxious movements, as she might be feeling a bit flustered in your presence. Number 3. Eye contact and smiles. If you catch a woman making prolonged eye contact with you, especially accompanied by a warm smile, it's a strong indicator of her attraction. Subtle glances and quick looks away are signs that she's into you, even if she's a bit shy about it. Number 4. Valuing your opinion. Women tend to seek out the opinions of people they find attractive. If she consistently values your input and offers to help you with problems, it's a sign that she's trying to establish a connection and impress you. Number 5. Physical proximity and touch. If a woman leans in closer to you during conversations or unnecessarily gets physically closer in group settings, it's often because she finds you attractive. This closeness allows her to pick up on your pheromones and assess compatibility. Number 6. Grooming and appearance adjustments. When a woman raises her eyebrows or fixes her appearance when you're around, it's a subconscious indication of attraction. She's trying to look her best for you, even if she doesn't consciously realize it. Number 7. Staring on multiple occasions. Catching her looking at you more than once, especially with a smile, suggests she finds you attractive. Whether she gazes at you consciously or subconsciously, repeated glances speak volumes. So, if you notice any of these signs, there's a good chance that you are attractive to women. Keep in mind that attraction can vary from person to person, but these cues can help you gauge whether someone is interested in you. Thanks for tuning in to Achieve Your Dreams TV, and if you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.